Bonjour, bonjour les amis. Hello my friends. Comment ça va aujourd'hui? Comment ça va means how are you? Well, I'm having a great day. Look at this beautiful sunshine, le soleil. So I'm going to say ça va bien. Ça va bien means I'm very well. Ça va bien, merci. Merci means thank you for asking. So thank you for joining me today. And this series is called French with Ananas, and we're going to be learning some sounds today. But before we start, we must say bonjour to our friend Ananas, and she will join us. Can you say bonjour, Ananas? Let's try that again. Bonjour, Ananas. And here she is. She's a little bit shy, and I hope you're not shy. If you are, you can have a friend sit with you also, but learning French doesn't have to be very scary. I know they're new sounds to you, but you can say them out loud and we'll learn together and have a lot of fun. So let's get started. We need a pen, a stylo, and we need to choose a color today. So let's go over the colors and we can choose one after. Can you repeat after me? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Well, since I'm wearing my blue hat, mon chapeau bleu, let's go with bleu today. Bleu. So the title of our series is French with Ananas. And this is lesson 1.7, A sound. Leçon 1.7, son A. So the first thing we're going to do, my friends, is we're going to look at all the words that we've learned so far, and let's repeat them together. Banane. Can you say that? Banane. Canard. Canard. Chat. Chat. Arbre. Arbre. Avion. Avion. Lapin. Lapin. Ballon. Ballon. Kayak. Kayak. Bravo. Tasse. Tasse. Fromage. Fromage. Oh, you are doing a great job. Great job. We have a few more to go. Keep repeating. Ananas. Ananas. Yes, this is Ananas' favorite word. Chapeau. Chapeau. Vache. Vache. Parasol. Parasol. Casquette. Casquette. Lama. Lama. Abeille. Abeille. Plage. Plage. And the last two, carotte. Carotte. Araignée. Araignée. Yay! So those are all our A sound words that we've been learning so far. So what we're going to do now is figure out the sound of the letters. So what happens is when every single letter in the alphabet has a sound, a different sound. And when we put the sounds together, they make tiny little words like this. And then we attach them to other little two-letter words depending on what you want to write. And this is how you can start to sound out and read and write words. So the alphabet, all these little letters here, they make beautiful words when you put them together. So that's what's so exciting about learning how to speak French, is you're going to learn all the sounds to make your own words. So this is the first letter that we're looking at right now is the B. Letter B in French is B, and it makes the B sound. Can you try that at your house? B, B. Not at your house? You can try it at school, in the park, at the pool, wherever you are. B. And then we'll take the first letter of the alphabet, our A, and go ah. So we have a B and we have an A. So what's going to happen is we're going to put those closer together. So B and A. And then we're going to put them even closer together. B, A. And then what do we get? Ba. You see how that works? You got it, friends. Ba. So it's like we're putting all the sounds together. B, A makes ba. Yay! Good job! And if you remember our word ballon, that's how it starts with the ballon. Now let's do one more together. This is the letter L, L, and it makes the L sound, L, L. And here is our A sound. So we put them a little bit closer, L, and then A. And a little bit closer, L, A. And then they become friends together. They make la, la. Can you say that? La. Yay! So you are starting to read already. Good job. Here we have the letter M. M makes the sound. Can you try that? Try it wherever you are. Don't be shy. And here's the A sound. Ah. And then they get a little bit closer. Ah. And then they become friends. Ma. Ma. Wow, you are doing a great job. So there's our two little words, tiny mini words that we learned. La with ma. La, ma. Put them a little bit closer together. La, ma. And together they make friends and they make a word called llama. Do you remember our animal named llama? So that's how we sound out llama. Did you know that you're already reading? That's incredible. As we learn the sounds, this is how we learn to read. Good job. Now there's other letters in the alphabet that we can learn sounds to go with our A. So this is la lettre G, and it has the G sound. G, G. So G avec un A makes ga. Can you repeat it? Ga. Now, this letter, letter H in English, is called Ash in French. And there's a very, very big secret about Ash. Ash is super shy and never makes a sound. Shh. Never makes a sound. Never. It only makes a sound when it's attached to the C in words, but on its own, it never makes a sound. So we're just going to pretend it's not there because the sound of ash is there is none. So this word here is ah, just ah. Good job. Our next letter is the J is J, and it makes the J sound. So J avec un A fait ja, ja. Good job. K, k, k. Avec un A fait ka, ka. Wow, you are doing a super job. L avec un A fait la. Avec un A fait ma. Avec un A fait na. P, p, p. Avec un A fait pa. K, k, k. Avec un A fait ka. R, r. Avec un A fait ra. Ra. S avec un A fait sa. Sa. T, t, t. Avec un A fait ta. Ta. V avec un A fait va. Va. Wa. Wa avec un A fait wa. Wa. And our last three, X avec un A fait xa. Xa. Y. Y avec un A fait ya. Ya. Z avec un A fait za. Za. Wow! Give yourself a great hand. That was a lot of work. Good job, mes amis. And here's a question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? This question means what's in your bag. Should we check? Sac is another A sound word. Sac. Sac. Yes, I have it right here. Let me see. Mon sac. Oh, regarde mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Let's see. Oh, un peu pesant. Not too heavy. Pas trop pesant. Let's check it out. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, Ananas? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Oh, I think this is a word we already know. Regarde. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh. Oh, do you remember the French word for this object? Do you remember the French word? Tasse. Can you say tasse? Oh, Ananas, you know what? Madame needs a break. I think I'm going to have a nice cup of tea in my tasse, dans la tasse. Merci beaucoup, les amis. You did a great job today with your sounds. We'll see you next time. Goodbye means au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir, mes amis.